What if I told you that you could rake in up to $34,000 per month by launching a straightforward home-based business utilizing entirely free AI tools? Well, in this video, I've got 4 fantastic work-from-home business ideas that you can dive into with AI. I'll outline exactly what these businesses entail, show you how to kickstart them with the assistance of free AI tools, and present real-life examples of ordinary individuals who are pulling in tens of thousands of dollars each month through these ventures. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Sticker sales. Let's talk about selling stickers. Take this Etsy seller for instance, who only began selling in 2020, roughly 3 years ago. Since then, they've managed to sell over 196,000 stickers, raking in over $1.1 million in the past 3 years. That's an impressive $366,000 per year, or about $34,650 per month. Just pause for a moment and imagine how your life could change with an additional $34,000 per month in your bank account. Now, you might be wondering, that sounds great, but how can I do this myself? Well, the first step is creating sticker designs, and we're going to use a completely free AI tool called Midjourney to handle all the design work. Midjourney is a text-to-image generator that transforms simple text descriptions into full-fledged images. We'll utilize it to craft an endless array of copyright-free sticker designs. Here are a few examples of sticker designs generated by the AI. All I'm doing is inputting different prompts for the kind of stickers I want. Perhaps you're thinking, but I don't even know what kind of stickers I want. For this, we'll turn to another AI called ChatGPT. All you need to do is ask ChatGPT for descriptive sticker design ideas, and as you'll see, it will provide various suggestions. So now, you can input something like a cat playing video games into Midjourney, ensuring you include the word sticker in the description. As you can see, we'll get some fantastic results. You can experiment with the prompts too. For instance, adding the word cute will yield entirely different sticker designs. Or swap out cat for another animal, like a fox, and maybe have the fox engage in a different activity such as reading a book. Creating sticker designs is one thing, but you'll need to sell them. There are 2 approaches here. The first is partnering with a print-on-demand service that will handle the printing and shipping for you. Alternatively, if you want to maximize your profits, you can print the stickers at home and handle the shipping yourself. The latter process is surprisingly straightforward. All you need is a regular printer, an electronic cutting machine, which sounds more complex than it is, and some affordable sticker paper. With these tools, I managed to create all these stickers with no prior experience. To be completely transparent, I didn't even use the electronic cutting machine. I hand-cut all of these myself. These stickers, which all originated from AI-generated prompts and are completely doable. For shipping, I recommend using rigid mailers, which you can find on Amazon for about 27 cents each. These will ensure your stickers remain flat during transit. To print labels, assuming you're on Etsy, you can either use plain printing paper, cut out the label, and then attach it to the envelope using tape, or opt for inexpensive adhesive labels that adhere directly to the envelope. Don't forget to include the packing slip inside the envelope. As I mentioned, I use the Epson EcoTank Pro for printing shipping labels and packing slips. This printer boasts a quick warm-up time, vital for efficiency as your order volume grows. The print quality rivals that of a professional print shop, and it uses cost-effective ink bottles for refilling. To ship the stickers, simply place them inside the mailer, ensure they are secure, apply the label, and send it off to the post office. Another option is to work with a print-on-demand company. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. Selling wedding invitations. Another hot item to sell on platforms like Etsy is wedding invitations. This seller has achieved nearly 155,000 sales and earnings of over $1.5 million from selling wedding invitations alone. Considering how straightforward it is to create this business with AI, that's quite remarkable. We'll revisit Midjourney to have the AI handle the design work for our wedding invitations. Let's instruct the AI to create floral wedding invitations. As you can see, the AI generates some breathtaking designs. Then, use software like Photoshop or the free alternative Photopea to remove the AI-generated text, as these will be personalized invitations with a couple's names. To do this, employ Photopea's content-aware fill tool to replace the text. Once the names are customized, export the invitation as a PDF, print it on cardstock or regular paper, and use your printer to produce the shipping label. After printing the label, either use adhesive labels or tape it to the envelope. Remember to enclose the packing slip inside the envelope. You can offer additional upgrades like lamination or tassels for extra income. Selling bookmarks. Our third venture involves selling bookmarks. Some Etsy sellers have dedicated their entire shops to selling bookmarks and have earned substantial income. It's a straightforward side hustle to start. Midjourney can generate bookmark designs for you. Once you have these designs, you can either use a print-on-demand service to turn them into physical bookmarks using cardstock and a regular paper, or a budget-friendly laminating tool. To cut out the bookmarks, you can use an electronic cutting machine or opt for scissors. Consider offering extras like lamination or tassels for added profit. Selling planners. Our final business idea is selling planners, which has the potential to become a $1 million endeavor. Some sellers on Etsy have come close to earning $1 million through planner sales. For efficiency, it's recommended to collaborate with a print-on-demand service for this business. Start by creating planner designs using AI, such as floral patterns, and then utilize a print-on-demand service to turn them into physical planners. Creating patterns like florals with AI is surprisingly uncomplicated. Sell these planners on Etsy with customizable sections for your customers. In conclusion, every one of you can embark on these business ventures with the assistance of AI and potentially generate substantial income. These businesses are accessible and can be managed from the comfort of your home. Remember, this video provides a broad overview, and if you'd like more detailed guidance on any of these businesses, feel free to request it. Thanks for tuning in, and I have full confidence in your abilities. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video!